Here I will show you how to copy stock frames from a video. This way, you can draw cartoons using the gridline drawing method easily. Make sure the video fills the entire computer screen. Increasing to full screen may be helpful. Once you select the frame you would like to copy, stop the video. For gridline drawing, you not only want to copy the drawing with the lines, but also the plain image with grid lines to be used to draw your picture on. Once you're paused on the frame you want to copy, press the print screen key. The key may be designated as PRT SCN or Print SCRN. Open an image editing program like Microsoft Paint, or in Windows, at the Start button, type in the word Paint. Attach your image to the screen by pressing the Paste tab or pressing Ctrl plus the V button. The only thing left is to save or print your images. This is great to know when you are learning to draw from videos showing art with the gridline method. Captivating Cartooning provides the cartoon with grid lines, as well as the corresponding grid sheet for you to draw on.